Want to turn your garden into a vibrant, eye-catching space without spending a fortune? Today we're diving into 15 creative and budget-friendly ideas that use things you probably already have at home. From old tires to broken teacups, you'll see how simple items can become stunning garden features that impress anyone who walks by. Whether you're working with a tiny backyard, a balcony, or a full yard, these ideas are practical, fun, and perfect for adding color and personality to your outdoor space. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening, where we help you create beautiful, lasting gardens without the stress of high costs or complicated tools. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a garden transformation. Today's video is packed with ideas that are easy to follow, completely customizable, and designed to inspire your creativity. So grab your paintbrush, your old containers, and let's make your garden truly unforgettable. Idea number 1. Tire planters. Old tires aren't just trash. They're a fantastic way to add color, shape, and height to your garden. Start by giving them a fresh coat of vibrant paint, choosing colors that complement your flowers or the overall theme of your garden. Once painted, you can stack them to create a multi-level planter, lay them flat for a low garden bed, or even hang them vertically for a unique wall display. Their durability means they'll withstand sun, rain, and wind, making them a long-lasting addition to your outdoor space. When it comes to planting, tires work well with flowers, herbs, and small shrubs that enjoy good drainage. Consider marigolds, petunias, or thyme for bright, hardy options that will thrive in the slightly warmer soil inside the tire. You can even mix plants of different heights and colors to create eye-catching contrasts. With a little creativity, these simple recycled materials can transform any corner of your garden into a bold and playful statement. Idea number 2. Pallet vertical garden. Wooden pallets are one of the most versatile items you can repurpose in your garden, and turning them into vertical planters is both practical and visually appealing. Start by sanding the pallet to remove rough edges, and then treat the wood to withstand outdoor conditions. Once prepared, mount it securely against a wall, fence, or even lean it at a slight angle for a freestanding display. You can add small pots, planter boxes, or fabric pockets to hold herbs, succulents, and flowering plants. This setup not only saves space, but also creates a striking green wall that can serve as a focal point in your garden or balcony. The beauty of a pallet vertical garden is how customizable it is. You can paint it to match your garden theme, arrange plants by height or color for visual impact, or even mix in trailing plants that cascade down the sides for a lush, layered effect. It's perfect for growing herbs like basil, parsley, and mint in easy reach, or showcasing small flowering plants that brighten any corner. This project transforms an ordinary wooden pallet into a living, breathing piece of garden art, proving that even simple, inexpensive materials can create something extraordinary with a little imagination and effort. Idea number 3. Broken pot fairy garden. Cracked or broken pots don't have to end up in the trash. They can become enchanting miniature fairy gardens that add whimsy and charm to your outdoor space. Start by layering soil, moss, and small rocks to create depth and structure within the broken pot. Add tiny plants such as succulents, mini ferns, or mosses that thrive in compact spaces, and consider incorporating small decorations like miniature benches, tiny bridges, or little figurines to bring your scene to life. Each layer and detail adds dimension, making the garden feel like a tiny magical world tucked into an ordinary container. Creating a fairy garden in a broken pot is also a wonderful way to experiment with design and let your creativity shine. You can arrange multiple broken pots together to form a whimsical cluster, or place a single pot in a quiet corner of your garden to surprise and delight visitors. These tiny gardens are low maintenance, fun for kids to help design, and can even make thoughtful gifts. With just a little imagination, what was once considered trash transforms into a charming and interactive feature that adds personality and storytelling to your garden space. Idea number 4. Wine bottle border. Empty wine bottles can be transformed into striking and colorful garden borders, creating a unique edge along flower beds, pathways, or vegetable patches. Start by cleaning the bottles thoroughly, and choose a mix of colors or shapes to suit your garden's aesthetic. Bury the neck of each bottle in the soil, leaving the body exposed to form a neat, eye-catching line. The glass catches and reflects sunlight, adding a subtle sparkle to your garden, and making the border visually interesting from every angle. This project is not only decorative but also highly practical. Wine bottle borders help define garden spaces, keep soil in place, and even discourage small animals from wandering into delicate plant areas. You can experiment with patterns, alternating colors or heights for a whimsical effect, or keep them uniform for a polished modern look. With minimal effort and cost, these recycled bottles provide a sustainable way to enhance your garden's charm, while giving a second life to items that would otherwise go to waste. Idea number 5. Tin can lanterns. Old tin cans can be transformed into charming garden lanterns that add both light and personality to your outdoor space. Begin by cleaning the cans thoroughly, then use a hammer and nail or a specialized punch to create decorative patterns along the sides. Once your design is complete, paint the cans in weather-resistant colors or metallic shades to complement your garden. Add a protective sealant to ensure they withstand rain and sun, and then hang them with wire or place them on flat surfaces for ambient lighting. These lanterns are perfect for creating a cozy and magical atmosphere in your garden, whether for evening gatherings, quiet nights outside, or special occasions. The light shining through the patterned holes casts intricate shadows on the ground, adding a whimsical touch to your outdoor space. You can make a variety of designs, from simple geometric patterns to more elaborate motifs, allowing each lantern to reflect your personal style. With minimal materials and effort, tin can lanterns turn everyday items into functional works of art that brighten both your garden and your evenings. Idea number 6. Teacup bird feeders. Vintage teacups and saucers can be repurposed into charming bird feeders that bring life and movement to your garden. Start by securely attaching the cup to the saucer using a strong adhesive or wire, ensuring it is stable enough to hold bird seed without tipping over. You can mount the assembled feeder on a stand, hang it from a sturdy branch, or even attach it to a fence post for easy access by your feathered friends. The delicate appearance of the teacup adds a whimsical and vintage touch to your garden, while serving a practical purpose. These teacup feeders are not only functional but also incredibly engaging, allowing you to observe birds up close as they visit your garden. You can use a mix of seeds to attract different types of birds, creating a lively and dynamic outdoor space. Plus, the project is highly customizable. You can paint or decorate the cups to match your garden's theme, or mix and match styles for a playful, eclectic look. It's a delightful way to combine garden decoration with wildlife care, making your outdoor space both beautiful and full of life. Idea number 7. Painted rock markers. Painted rocks are a simple, creative way to label your plants while adding personality and color to your garden. Start by choosing smooth, flat stones and cleaning them thoroughly. Use waterproof paint or markers to write the names of your herbs, vegetables, or flowers, and then seal the designs with a clear, weather-resistant coating to ensure they last through sun, rain, and seasonal changes. You can get playful with colors, patterns, and fonts, turning each rock into a small piece of garden art that's both functional and decorative. This project is also a fun way to involve kids or friends in gardening. Let them design and paint rocks, giving the garden a personal touch that reflects everyone's creativity. Beyond labeling, painted rocks can be arranged in borders, pathways, or clusters to create visual interest and define spaces within your garden. They're an inexpensive, hands-on way to combine art and gardening, making your outdoor space feel lively, organized, and full of charm. Idea number 8. Ladder plant stand. Old wooden ladders can be transformed into multi-level plant stands that add height, dimension, and rustic charm to your garden. Begin by sanding the ladder to remove rough edges and painting or sealing it for outdoor durability. Each rung can hold pots of varying sizes, allowing you to display a mix of flowers, herbs, and trailing plants. Placing the ladder against a wall or freestanding in a corner creates an instant vertical garden that draws the eye upward and makes the most of limited space. The beauty of a ladder plant stand is in its versatility. You can rearrange the plants seasonally, mix different textures and colors, or even add small decorative items like lanterns or figurines between pots. This setup not only maximizes your planting area, but also adds a charming rustic focal point that elevates your garden's overall aesthetic. With just a simple repurposed ladder, you can create a striking display that's both practical and visually appealing, turning a forgotten item into a centerpiece for your outdoor space. Idea number 9. Rain gutter planters. Old rain gutters can be repurposed into efficient space-saving planters that are perfect for small gardens or vertical gardening. Start by cutting the gutters to your desired length and drilling small drainage holes along the bottom to prevent waterlogging. You can mount them horizontally on a fence, wall, or railing, creating a neat row of planters that don't take up any ground space. These planters are ideal for growing strawberries, lettuce, or small herbs, giving you a productive garden even in tight areas. Rain gutter planters are not only practical but also visually appealing. By arranging them at different heights or stacking them vertically, you can create an eye-catching layered effect that adds depth and interest to your garden. They are lightweight, easy to move or rearrange, and allow you to experiment with plant combinations and patterns. With minimal investment, rain gutter planters turn overlooked materials into a clever, functional, and beautiful gardening solution. Idea number 10. Mason jar hanging lights. Mason jars aren't just for storing food. They can be transformed into charming hanging lights that add warmth and atmosphere to your garden. Start by cleaning the jars thoroughly and choosing either solar-powered or battery-operated LED lights to place inside. You can hang the jars from tree branches, pergolas, or hooks, using sturdy wire, rope, or chain, creating a magical glow that illuminates pathways, patios, or garden nooks. Their simple design allows them to blend seamlessly with any garden style, from rustic to modern. These hanging lights are not only decorative, but also highly versatile. You can experiment with different jar sizes, colors, or even add small decorative elements inside, like pebbles or faux flowers, to enhance their visual appeal. Weatherproofing the lids, or using waterproof lights ensures longevity even in outdoor conditions. Mason jar lights create a cozy, inviting atmosphere that encourages evening relaxation or gatherings, proving that inexpensive everyday items can dramatically transform your garden ambiance. Idea number 11. Brick or cinder block raised beds. Bricks and cinder blocks are an inexpensive and practical way to build raised garden beds that add structure and organization to your outdoor space. Simply stack the blocks in your desired shape, without the need for mortar. To create a sturdy frame, fill the holes of the blocks with soil to provide extra planting space for herbs, flowers, or small vegetables, turning each block into a functional part of your garden. These beds elevate your plants, improving drainage and soil quality, while making gardening more accessible and manageable. Raised beds made from bricks or cinder blocks are also highly customizable. You can paint or stain the blocks to match your garden style, create geometric or curved layouts for visual interest, and even incorporate multiple levels to maximize planting space. The modular nature of the blocks allows you to expand or rearrange your beds as needed. Idea number 12. Old furniture planters. Old furniture pieces like dressers, chairs, or tables can be repurposed into unique and eye-catching garden planters. Start by removing drawers or hollowing out compartments. Then line them with plastic or landscaping fabric to hold soil and prevent water damage. Ensure proper drainage by drilling holes or adding layers of gravel at the bottom. Each piece becomes a statement feature, turning something that might have been discarded into a focal point overflowing with flowers, herbs, or small shrubs. Using furniture as planters allows for incredible creativity and personalization. You can paint or distress the pieces to match your garden's aesthetic, stack drawers at different angles to create a tiered effect, or place a small table sideways to serve as a whimsical flower bed. These planters not only provide additional growing space but also add charm, character, and a touch of nostalgia to your garden. By giving old furniture a new purpose, you combine sustainability with style, making your outdoor space truly one of a kind. Idea number 13. Rope and branch swings. Adding a swing to your garden creates a playful and relaxing spot that's perfect for enjoying the outdoors. Start by selecting a strong, healthy branch that can safely support weight, preferably from a sturdy tree. Use thick, durable rope and secure it tightly around the branch, making sure knots are firm and the swing hangs evenly. Sand or smooth the branch to prevent splinters, and choose a comfortable seat. This could be a wooden plank, a sturdy board, or even a recycled pallet. A rope and branch swing not only provides a functional seating area, but also adds a charming visual element to your garden. It encourages outdoor leisure, giving you a spot to read, relax, or simply enjoy nature. You can further personalize it with colorful cushions, hanging decorations, or even a canopy of flowers or vines above it. With minimal cost and effort, a swing transforms an ordinary garden corner into a joyful interactive space that invites both kids and adults to enjoy the outdoors. Idea number 14. Mosaic stepping stones. Mosaic stepping stones are a creative and durable way to add personality and color to your garden paths. Start by mixing a basic concrete base and pouring it into molds of your chosen shape and size. While the concrete is still wet, arrange broken tiles, plates, or even colorful stones into artistic patterns, pressing them gently to secure. Once the concrete sets, you'll have unique eye-catching stones that guide visitors through your garden while showcasing your personal style. These stepping stones are highly customizable, allowing you to experiment with colors, shapes, and designs to match your garden's theme. You can create whimsical patterns, geometric layouts, or abstract designs that reflect your creativity. Besides being decorative, they provide practical benefits, keeping feet clean and dry while protecting delicate plants. Mosaic stones offer a fun, hands-on project and a lasting way to add beauty, texture, and character to your garden walkways. Idea number 15. Bottle cap wind chimes. Bottle caps can be transformed into colorful and whimsical wind chimes that add both movement and sound to your garden. Start by collecting a variety of caps in different colors and sizes, then drill small holes for stringing. Use fishing line, wire, or sturdy thread to connect the caps, creating strands of varying lengths, and attach them to a branch, hoop, or frame for hanging. When the wind blows, the caps will clink together, producing a gentle, playful melody that enlivens your outdoor space. These wind chimes are not only charming, but also a creative way to recycle materials that might otherwise be discarded. You can arrange the caps in patterns or mix colors randomly for a fun, eclectic look. They're lightweight, easy to hang, and can be personalized with paint, beads, or other small decorative touches. Bottle cap wind chimes bring an interactive, artistic element to your garden, combining visual appeal, sound, and sustainability in one delightful DIY project. So there you have it, 15 creative and budget-friendly ways to transform your garden using items you already have at home. From tire planters and vertical pallet gardens, to whimsical teacup feeders and colorful bottle cap wind chimes, each idea shows that a beautiful, vibrant garden doesn't require a big budget, just a little creativity and effort. Try mixing and matching these projects to give your outdoor space personality, charm, and functionality. We'd love to hear which idea you're most excited to try first. Share it in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Timeless Gardening, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new garden transformation. Don't forget to share this video with a friend who loves gardening, and let's inspire more beautiful, sustainable gardens together.